Here is how you make a trade. Hit the menu tab and select the My Game tab and pick either a joined or created game. Once in the game, hit the orange Trade tab in the upper right. Enter your ticker symbol, which are known as the stock call letters. The stock information page will appear. To purchase the stock, hit the orange Trade button. It will take you to the order form. Enter the quantity you would like to buy. Scroll down to the bottom and hit Submit. A confirmation page will appear. Check your order and hit Submit again. A tab showing your trade was successful will appear along with a button to go directly to your portfolio, where your new stock purchase will be located. To buy another stock, hit the orange Trade button in the upper right and start the process all over again. To sell, make sure you are in the portfolio section of the game. Simply tap the symbol and it will take you to the trade history for that particular stock. Directly located at the bottom of your screen is the Trade button. Tap and the trade form will appear. Hit the Sell tab and your quantity will automatically populate. Scroll down to the Submit button. A trade confirmation will appear as it did with the purchase. Hit the tabs until you are back on the portfolio page. Now, to recap, hit the menu tab, tap the My Game section, select your game and buy and sell from the portfolio page in the portfolio section of the game.